Just when we thought the market couldn't get any worse, the 24/7 trading is now likely to be implemented in early 2025 as the SEC just gave their approval on it. We've recently seen that 24-hour trading has been trying to get launched and now has been approved by the SEC, a national 24/7 exchange where you can basically trade stock all day long. So guess what? We can't sleep anymore. Now on Wednesday, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit denied an attempt by Citadel Securities and the American Securities Association to temporarily block the collection of these fees while their broader legal challenge is pending. What fees are they talking about? They are talking about the consolidated audit trail fees. The SEC basically is able to move forward with funding the CAT system through fees on broker-dealers. Obviously, these institutions have some issues with it, and the CAT system has been so far shining some light, but as Ken Griffin loves to do, he loves to attempt to kick the can down the road and fight everything that he doesn't like. We recently seen him selling real estate at 40% losses and then also coming out and stating that he wouldn't mind selling a piece of Citadel Securities. Now this is going to be a long video. We got to talk about AMC, we got to talk about GameStop most importantly, and those two plays, but then we got to talk about crypto. And I'm sorry ahead of time for the length of this video, but it is all going to be worth your while, so just make sure to like it, please. Subscribe and have post notifications on. Make sure to comment on the video. I'm going to try to answer your comments down below. First things first, shout out to anyone who followed me on the Nvidia trade. Nvidia is up 2.5%, trading at 138.72. Got a nasty dip buy. I told you some people were calling out for sub 130 before you get in, but there was no sense for that, right? It broke below the channel and Nvidia was still bullish in my opinion, which was an easy dip buy opportunity. Made over 2,500 on those calls from Wednesday, which is just a beautiful trade. It's an easy executed trade that we talked about in Discord. Another stock we talked about today in Discord was PRZO. Yes, we talked about it a little late, but definitely keep your eye on this one as it's up 69%, but it was up over 150% earlier today. Now the S&P 500 is absolutely rallying. We have seen new all-time highs today on a 4-day trading week. Well, 3.5 days, right? Because Friday today, the market's closing early. SPY is trading at 603.10, pumping against all-time highs. We pressed up against the ceiling and we were using it as resistance in the morning. And since then, we have been building candles off of it. Here's what's likely to happen. You're likely to see a close above this channel, but you're getting very close to overbought levels, which is going to be at 603.50. Watch for a rejection at that level. Tomorrow, well, Monday, I should say, and coming into next week, I'm watching 604.50 on the SPY for hopefully just some consolidation here before that last pump up to 623. But like I said in yesterday's video, if GameStop is going to hit $46, the SPY is likely to pump until the meeting in December, and you're likely to see cryptos pump until that meeting. So the first signals I'm getting right now is we have 2 weeks of straight green, and it's going to be a lot of green, excessive green in the crypto markets and our meme plays, squeeze plays, and the overall market, at least just from the first hint of signals that I'm getting from the SPY. AMC is trading at 495. Basically flat on the day. I had another window open for you to kind of show that AMC was trading this exact pattern where it came up and then it came up for its next big leg before retracing and then ultimately mooning. So overall, I'm very bullish on AMC, but we are seeing some scary stuff with GameStop, and I'm going to show you that right now. But before I do that, I also want to state, shout out AMC fundamental-wise. Moana 2 serves up huge $57.5 million on Wednesday, heading for a historic $175 million plus launch. So fundamental wise, good for AMC. Very odd, we're seeing a wipeout of the options chain for the calls expiring in the money on AMC according to Stonko Tracker. GameStop's trading at $29.20. We need to close above $29. Write that down. Watch the $29 level. Now, good thing is 2-hour time frame. We're getting a buy signal on the Watson envelope. Again, take that with a grain of salt. But GameStop is still above this channel. We tested this channel once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times in total, and I wouldn't mind testing it again, but ultimately I would prefer to stay above 29 bucks to close the week, okay? I just wanted to point something out. I think this is the less likely case scenario since we didn't really have the full pop. My computer closed my other tab as well that basically showed GameStop come up here for about 30 days into the cycle and then ended up flushing, playing out this exact signal. So what we're going to watch out for is a hold of this trend. If you see a break of this trend at all, GameStop is going to look very bearish. Okay, come back down to $25. Right now, you're watching that trend line. Draw it on your charts. Where exactly would that trend line break be? It'd be about $28.40. Confirmation, honestly, $27.90 for very safe confirmation. If we get to $27.90, GameStop is going to be bearish. Now, Treehouse Brewing is still tweeting symbolic things. Always green emojis, green, 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 all that other stuff. GameStop, we are winning on the options chain still for the week. 17,000 calls, basically 18,000 compared to 6,000 puts. So 3x on the options chain, and then a lot of premium going to market makers. 81,000 calls expiring out of the money. Now, another thing good for AMC, we have been seeing XRP, aka Ripple, start to climb. XRP, Ethereum Classic, track with AMC. AMC's chart is due for a big explosion. It is lagging behind hard, okay? I'm just waiting for that explosion on AMC. I do still hold my calls on there. Well, XRP lawsuit was just won by Ripple. Their motion to expedite judgment. Basically, the U.S. court has granted an order in favor of Ripple to expedite issuing a judgment in the case, and XRP obviously got this beautiful rally, breaking out of resistance at $1.50, breaking our resistance at $1.62, which was a crucial resistance level. I wouldn't be surprised if XRP came down to retest $1.62 just because of how big of support it was. I would watch for that potentially today. But again, if we don't see that, my price target on XRP after breaking out of this flag, trading in this ascending parallel channel, right? Basically hit the top of it back here, hit the bottom of it down here, and now you're going for another push higher. The top of this channel, if we continue to run tonight, is about $1.94 to $1.96. So I would watch those levels. But ultimately, our next resistance level is at $2.04 to be exact for that resistance level, and $2.10, right? Ultimately, is XRP going to hit $2? That's going to be exciting if so. Now, $10,887,259,068 worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum options are set to expire today. Now, that was yesterday, but you're seeing a lot of volatility from that come into today. Now, I find this extremely funny. CNBC posted this in 2018. If you took your brother-in-law's advice and bought Bitcoin last Thanksgiving, you would have had a big loss. These articles are extremely stupid because now we are in 2024, 6 years later, Bitcoin's still ripping heads off. Never listen to anyone saying that Bitcoin is dead, but ultimately looking at Bitcoin's chart, we are a little bit overbought, getting a little bit of a retracement. Don't be mad if we come back down today to 96,800 for a bounce, okay? I would watch that level, 96,800, and then continue to rally higher and then see a bunch of altcoins following it. Pepe even got a little bit of a breakout, and we came down and based off of this. I would say this is a buy signal for Pepe, in my personal opinion. Coming down oversold, recently got a buy signal, and it's building off of the resistance that it broke above. I want to cover Bonk really quick as well, and I'm going to explain the system that has been winning me money, and shout out to a Discord member. But Bonk also broke out of recent resistance, and it didn't get as hard of a retrace, but it's looking like soon you're going to get a buy signal. Not yet, right? Bonk may sell off a little bit. I'd watch for that level all the way down here at 4046 or so. We're slightly below that for another bounce on Bonk. Ultimately, we're fighting resistance. Next level is 4049971. Crypto's doing great, right? You're seeing these altcoins up 10% as you're seeing Bitcoin rally, which is great. Hopefully this carries over into the weekend. In my opinion, we get a little bit of a pullback, hopefully today, and then nighttime or into Saturday, Sunday, we see a crypto bull run over the weekend. Now, I want to explain this to you guys because it's been working for me. And hey, I don't know sports. I'm just going to lay that on the table right now. But I've been using this Underdog app, Underdog Sports Betting right here. I've been hitting on these plays, and then I'm putting them into Margex, which is a crypto trading platform. Now, it's not just any crypto trading platform. This was called out in my Discord, so shout out to you, and I've been trading on it for about a day and a half, and I'm starting to like it. You can get up to 100x leverage on here, which is insane, and I wouldn't recommend that. I don't give financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you come onto the platform trading with $100, they're going to allow you to trade with like $2,500 to start off. So you're trading with 25x. And then if you build that up a little bit, certain coins to trade with, you're going to be able to use 50x leverage and 100x leverage. So you trade with 1,000, you're trading with 100,000, right? Overall, platform is crazy. I'm not going to lie. As of right now, I'm liking it. So why am I telling this? What do I want you to do? Well, first of all, if you use my Underdog Sports Betting link and sign up, even a hook me up, I'm getting a bonus when you sign up. But your first deposit is going to be matched by them. Anything $1,000 or under. So if you put in $10, you're getting $10 free for them. So you have a total of $20 to bet with. I can show you my picks yesterday. I bet $50 and I won like $230. And then the game before that, I forgot, I bet maybe $10-20 and I won 100 easy. And then I threw those into Margex and I've been trading over here, so it's pretty dope. Also with Margex, I'm getting hooked up and you're getting hooked up once you go through my link, so that would be dope as well. Now, if you guys want to join the Discord, don't forget I'm doing a Black Friday sale. Get in the Discord, guys. You guys will not regret it. You can see my trades as soon as I take them. You would have caught that Nvidia trade. We have option sweep orders, market news, dark pool trade alerts, insider trade alerts, and we talk stocks and crypto all day long. This Black Friday deal may last the whole weekend. I'm debating on it until Cyber Monday, but I also just want to close out the deal because Discord is already a good price as it is. If you want up to 15 free stocks that'll potentially pay for Discord, use my Moomoo link, open a free broker with them to start trading stocks and options. And once you make a deposit into your account, you will start earning free stocks, each valued up to $2,000 per stock, a $30 cash reward, and 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash. But not only that, they let you get a customizable earnings calendar, short stocks, trade options, all that other stuff for free as a retail trader. Again, they'll probably approve you right away. Sign up through my link and make a deposit. Don't forget to go sign up for Margex. Sign up for Underdog if you'd like. Subscribe to my second channel. Oh, and last but not least, my crypto coin. I've been telling you guys, again, the haters are going to be like, oh, you're rug pull, there goes your reliability. I've said it time and time again, I'm not pulling on anyone. I just want to let you know, if I were to rug pull when we were king of the hill, I would have made a lot of money. I told you guys, I'm doing this as an experiment, and I'm honestly debating on making this coin have some backing behind it, have some utility, have some roadmap. I'm debating on it. But right now, we're up to a $27,000 market cap, and I'm just leaving it the way it is. I just want to let you know that right now. And we are at 79% progress of King of the Hill again. Why is this coin so great on here? It's because 90% of the other coins on here are getting rugged. My coin actually has a solid backing because of the family here. But yeah, so that link is in the description as well. That is it, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. I love you all. God bless. Happy Black Friday. Go get your Christmas presents. Lottery Stocks out.